everyone, this is Karishma and you're watching Tech No. So we are here in ChatGPT everywhere. In today's video, come with us and check what the hype is all about. ChatGPT is something that makes your life easier. So let's dig into the incredible capabilities of ChatGPTs and AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. So let me tell you how it works. It generates human-like responses, it writes essays for you, it creates stories and performs various tasks. ChatGPT is powered by NLP, which is Natural Language Processor. It delivers natural and conversational responses just like humans, and it's perfect for virtual assistants, chatbots and much more. And this could be a versatile writing companion. You can generate emails, generate stories, create content and create codes as well. So with this amazing creation, you can compose everything. And one more thing, from code writing to article generation, translation to dubbing, it does it all and it responds intelligently in minutes. While ChatGPT language capabilities are amazing, but it may have some real world limitations. It may produce incorrect responses in the terms of context, and be aware of biases in this training data. But imagine if we focus on the possibilities, getting your schoolwork done in minutes, getting your assignments done as your AI assistant, it's truly exciting. So that wraps up our today's video regarding ChatGPT and its exploration. It's a game changer, trust me, for writing and creativity. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next one.